Hello everyone, ILL keep updating battery replacement guides for different laptop models. You can follow me. The HP battery model for this period is ZG06XL. The screw positions are as shown in the diagram. Use a hex screwdriver to loosen the screws on the back cover of the laptop. The screws of the back cover are all fixed onto the back cover. Then we take out the small suction cup and prying card to proceed with the operation. First, use a small suction cup to attach to the back cover. Gently lift the back cover, and then use a small pry tool to carefully open each latch. Ensure that each clasp can be opened, facilitating subsequent operations. Then use the small suction cup to stick to the other side and lift the back cover. Then pry the card open along the edge. Finally, use a small suction cup to lift the entire back cover. Then you can open the back cover of the laptop. After opening the back cover, first disconnect the power connector. Take out the small crowbar and slowly pull out the power connector ribbon cable. Be careful not to pull forcefully, as it may cause the connection to detach or become misaligned. You may slowly and gradually pull it out. Screw positions for the fixed battery. Use a square screwdriver to remove these screws. Arrange the removed screws according to their positions to prevent installing them in the wrong locations later. Then carefully remove the old battery. Take out a new battery again. We first align the power interface to connect the battery. The power connector must be securely connected to prevent any issues from arising later. Readjust the position of the battery section. Enable the battery to be smoothly inserted as a whole. Then attach the screws to secure the battery. Be careful not to attach the screws in the wrong positions. Then align the back cover of the laptop with the clips and close it. Then apply slight pressure to ensure the clips of the back cover are securely fastened. Then take out the hex screwdriver again to tighten the screws on the back cover. This completes the battery replacement operation. Next, let's see if it can boot up normally. Turn on the laptop. It can be observed that the laptop is able to boot up normally. If anyone has any questions after watching, you may indicate them in the comments section. I will reply to each one individually. See you next time. Goodbye.